Good morning guys and welcome to another vlog. This is the part 2 of a healthy tour of. Today we're in Malmö as you saw in the previous vlog. If you haven't, go check it out. Right now we're just going for a morning coffee here at, not sure how to pronounce it, so bear with me, but I think it's pronounced SOLDE. It's a really nice location as you can tell. Beautiful morning. We just woke up, we also had some breakfast in the restaurant. Now we're gonna go in there, have a cup of coffee and just walk around a bit, and then after that we're gonna get some lunch or something. I'm gonna walk around by myself because my dad and his girlfriend, they want to go check out like museums and stuff, which is not a bit of me, but yeah, take you along. So I've got to say that is one of the best cup of coffees I've had in a while. Now I'm gonna go find like a mall or something where I can borrow something for my hair, because this is annoying me like a lot. I'm not gonna swear, but it's annoying me a lot. We're gonna go into like Åhléns or whatever it's called. Like it's like a mall near me. Gonna go do that, and then we're gonna go to another like a cafe or restaurant and find some healthy food to show you guys. I think that's a bit better than it was before. Now we're gonna go to a place called Raw Food Cafe, I think it's called. I had to go look for a toilet somewhere to wash my hands after the hair thing. But yeah, we're gonna go to Raw Food now. Raw Food Cafe, whatever. I'll show you when we're there, obviously. So I just walked about 2 miles to find out that the raw food kitchen was closed. So now I've just walked around for a little bit and I found a new cafe. So unfortunately I didn't have any, have all my money in cash, and so I couldn't buy anything in there because they only take card, but definitely recommend it anyway. It looked really nice. They had the acai bowls and smoothies and stuff, which is really nice, but I couldn't buy anything because obviously I just got all my money in cash, so I thought everyone would be taking cash, but obviously not. Yeah, but recommend it anyway though. So I just put the cash back into my account, and now I'm gonna go into this restaurant which I've just found walking around. It's called AVOKADO. I recommend just walking around finding things, because all of the things that I found on Google Maps like are closed or whatever, but if you just walk around you will definitely find something. But now you've got this sort of guide, but yeah, I'll just show you in here. So as I showed you there, I am having like a bowl with like cacao, cocoa and nips, and some nuts and stuff. It's 100% gluten-free, and then I'm having an apple ginger sort of juice on the side. I'm just gonna get into it, and yeah, definitely recommend this place. People are really nice, and quick service, and yeah, really good. I think it's vegan, but don't hold me up to that, but it's definitely gluten-free. Yeah, recommend it 100%. yeah, that was AVOKADO in Malmö. I'm gonna put the address down below. But yeah, that is definitely one of the best lunches I've had in a while. That was really nice, and as I said, the service was really good as well. Not too bad in prices either. It was actually quite cheap, 110 Swedish kroners, which equivalates to, I think, maybe 60 kroners, Danish ones, and like £12 or something like that. But it's not expensive at all. That was really nice, yeah. Yeah, that was called CONDECO, and they have like some nice salads and stuff. I'm not going to go in there obviously because I just ate myself, but I definitely recommend that place. They've got some nice salads and smoothies and stuff. I'm pretty sure it's a chain, but I'm not completely sure. So as you can tell, I just decided on the shot. I think it was like it's definitely a ginger shot, but they've got some fruit in there as well, and it's right here. The reason why I decided not to have any more than that is because I saw the salads and smoothies right there, and it looked like that was more of a place to sit down and have a cup of coffee and stuff, because I'm going to charge my stuff up and go to the lunch or sort of early dinner place and kind of show you around some more places. But yeah, just gonna sit down for a while now and charge my stuff up. Turns out I was wrong about the charging things. They didn't have any charging cables, so I'm not gonna sit in there. I'm gonna find like a little cafe and charge my stuff up there instead. Yeah. That's really nice to get lunch is SMAK. Here in Malmö as well, they have like some quite good lunch dishes. I'm not going to go there, I'm going to go somewhere else that I've planned. But yeah, that's a recommendation as well. So, I'm not sure if you can hear me, but I'm sitting here in John's Juice. I'm just having like a quick shake. Also waiting for a gluten-free sandwich. In my opinion, Joe and the Juice is one of the best places to get like healthy food or lunch or whatever. So definitely recommend it. It's a Danish thing, yeah, which is where I'm from. So yeah, definitely recommend Joe and the Juice. Just waiting for my gluten-free sandwich with no cheese. I'm having the turkey one. Obviously, I'm going to show you. So I just got this sandwich as well. This is a gluten-free, and I ordered it without any mozzarella in it. And I got the, I think it's a fiber active shake. Definitely recommend Joe the Juice. It's kind of everywhere right now. I think it's in Sweden, Copenhagen, and they've got some other places like airports and stuff. But definitely recommend it. So I think I'm going to conclude today's vlogs or vlog here. On that note, thank you for watching. Hope you will subscribe and let me know any more a healthy tour of, maybe a part 3. I do travel quite a bit, so I am able to film them in like different countries, different cities. Just let me know where you want them basically, and I will try and do that for you. And if you made it this far into the video, thank you. Yeah, and remember to subscribe. See you next time.